Good morning, children. Welcome to the class. So, student, today we'll discuss about the video conferencing. What is video conferencing? Means it is one of the most exciting features of internet. Two people from different place can talk as if they are sitting face to face by using video conferencing. It means video conferencing. You are knowing you are doing video call to your friends, to your parents, relatives. This is known as the video conferencing. There, two peoples are sitting together face to face by using talking. They are sitting face to face and talking with the help of video conferencing. And video conferencing is widely used in large scale companies. TV show while doing chatting. It provides face to face conversation with different people who are sitting at different locations. Now, means suppose a big company, suppose you are having meeting or you are having training or by mistake or any reason that your trainer didn't unable to come to give the training, if because of due to some problem, means due to flood or something, so he or she may be take a video call, video conferencing, there where they are um, living, and from there the trainer will take the training or give the training. Or if you are having a meeting then from another country or another state, then also it helps to do the meet with the help of this video conferencing, like this. Then come to the news group. News group means there are different places on the internet where you can exchange your views and ideas on different subject with other people. These places are called news group. You can read message posted by other people, reply to message, post questions regarding something, and so on. You can search news group to your interest using some search engine. News group means a website. That website group, if suppose you interested in sports, suppose you are interested in sports, and then sports like you love cricket, then you will search first in news group about the cricket. And cricket, you will see all the posters, all the people posting their post, some images, some videos they are posting about the cricket game. And if you are having any query or any suggestion, then you can give the suggestion also. And if you are having any query, then you can ask question also from that group. You can give feedback, you can write the commands, you comments. If you want to write, then it is easy to write there. And if you want to post some messages also, then you can post. It is easy to read the post message of another people also. It is known as the news group. If you want to search, then you can search any news group with your interest only. Interest only means which field you are interested, that in that field you can search in news group. So multiple choice questions. You can talk to people face to face by using video conferencing. Buying products using internet is online shopping. Then come to the blogs. The term blog is derived from the term vblog. A blog is a type of website usually maintained by an individual. It contains regular entries of commentaries, descriptions of events, or some other material such as graphics or videos. Blogs also mean to maintain or add content to a blog. What do you mean by blog? Blog derived from vblog, weblog. And blog is a type of website. A blog is a type of website. Suppose you are interested to write a poetry, or if you are interested to write a short story, if you are interested to draw a cartoon, from that you have to use one blog. That blog you will play your channel. And then your channel, if you want to post anything, if you want to post, that you post anything, means your graphics or your videos like this. A typical blog combines text, images, and links to other blogs, web pages, and other media related to its topic. There are different types of blogs like personal blog, corporate blog, and more blogs. The mostly used blog is personal blog. An important aspects of many blogs is the ability for readers to leave comments in an interactive format. Suppose you are searching a blog, If you are writing a blog and your relatives or your friends or some other people commenting on that blog, then they are able to comment on your blog. Your blog means, suppose you are interested in poetry. If you had written the poetry and posted the poetry there in your blog, then those who will read your poetry, they will give the suggestion or give the feedback of your poetry in the comment section. And if they want to share your blogs to some another people or another site, then link is there. The link, by default it link generated there, their link they will forward it to other people. Then a personal blog, there are three types of blogs are there: personal blog, corporate blog, and mo blog. Then personal blog, an ongoing diary or commentary by an individual. It is a traditional most common blog site. It is a traditional, such as Twitter. Twitter is a blog type of blog that allow bloggers to share through thoughts and feelings instantly with the friends and families, and it much faster than email or writing. Blogs, you are knowing that you are posting your suppose today is Diwali day, so you if you you are having the blog account, then you will wish all your friends and families in that particular blog to wish them a very happy Diwali, like this. Then advantages of blogging: blogs allows you to share your ideas and views. Means suppose sometimes you are not able to share your ideas in front of the people, so if you are able to post the blogs, means if you are in that blog, you are able to post your views also. The cost of blogging is very low. It may be the cheapest from the advertisement. Means only you have to register only, and then it will not take any cost. Then blogs are allowed to speak directly to your customers. Blogs are positive way of getting feedbacks as reader react to a certain pieces of information and suggest your story ideas. It means you have to post it. If you are posted the blogs, then the users are free to give you the suggestion and then feedback of your blogs. Blogs build in profile a writer showcasing is a talented and expertise. Suppose you are having a habit to write a poetry, but in place of your friends or your colleague, means friends or colleagues, or if you are in school or if you're in job, then if you're in school, your friends, your teachers, in that your family members there, if you are not able to show your talent, means some agitations if you are having, then this uh, block will help you to show your talent and expertise also. Blogs make education demand oriented and participant centers. Suppose if I posted a particular if I posted blogs posted messages regarding a particular message, particular means subject topic, so it is easy to solve the users problems, or it is easy to understand the content in a easy way. Then social networking websites function like an online community of internet users. They provide a virtual community in which the members with common interest in hobbies, religions, or politics may communicate with each other. The socialization may include reading the profile pages of other members and possibly even interacting with them. Some of the social networking sites are Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. So you are familiar with social networking website. A social networking website means suppose we are using a Facebook here. That Facebook is easy to share our thoughts, share our post, pictures, images, videos, and if you want to wish your friend that Diwali or birthday or anniversary or anything, you can post there. And if you want to join any hobby interested, that hobbies, religion, or politics may communicate with each other, that also you can add in the members of that particular community. And some social networking sites are listed here: Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Let us discuss about Facebook. So Facebook is a small networking website launched in February 4, 2004. It is a free access website founded by Mark Zuckerberg when he was a student at Harvard University. This website currently has more than millions active users worldwide. User can join network organized by city, workplace, social and region to connect and interact with other people. So who launched Facebook? Mark Zuckerberg, when in 4th of Feb 2004, and it is easy to access the website. And very in a young age he launched this Facebook in when he was studying Harvard University. Then people can also add friends and messages and update their personal profile to notify friends about themselves. So this is the use of Facebook. Then advantages of Facebook. Advantages of Facebook means Facebook keeps you informed your when your friends update their profiles, add images or news to their blogs, then you are able to see all the blogs or the news or the videos also. You can add photos and photo albums to your Facebook profile. Search and browse for people if you make them from, if you are in the Facebook account and if you want to add your friends, then it is easy to search and it is easy for searching and add them. Then you can upload songs and videos to your profile also. If you want to change the photo video of your profile, then you can change. You can chat with your friends, with people or with in your friend list. So student, exercise I will discuss in next chapter. Thank you.